Most people get this wrong and assume their OneVanilla gift card is empty or not working when they can't see the balance instantly. But here's the truth no one tells you. In most cases the money is still there, you just haven't checked it the right way. In this video, you'll learn the easiest and most accurate way to check your OneVanilla gift card balance in 2026. Step by step, no confusion, no wasted time. Let's start with the fastest method. Go to the official OneVanilla balance check website printed on the back of your card. You'll see a section asking for your card number, expiration date, and security code. Enter these carefully. Even one wrong digit will show an error or an incorrect balance. But here's the problem. Many users rush this step and enter details without checking spacing or scratches on the card. Think of someone like Alex trying to check his balance quickly before shopping, but mistyping one digit. The system then shows 0 or invalid results, even though the card is fully loaded. Now here's where it gets interesting. If the website is not working or loading slowly, don't assume your card is broken. Try switching to a different browser or using your phone instead of a computer. Sometimes the issue is just a temporary site glitch, not your balance. Next, always double-check activation. If your card was just purchased, it may take a short time before the balance appears online. In that case, wait a few minutes and try again. Many people panic too early when the delay is actually normal. Another important tip is to keep track of pending transactions. If you recently used the card, part of your balance might be reserved for a pending payment. This makes the available balance look lower than expected. So always check both available and pending amounts if shown. If the online method still doesn't work, you can call the number on the back of the card for an automated balance check. Just follow the voice instructions and enter your details carefully. To wrap it up, checking your OneVanilla gift card balance in 2026 is simple once you use the official website, enter details correctly, and understand delays or pending holds. Most issues come from small mistakes, not the card itself. If this helped, like the video, comment your issue below, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step fixes that actually save you time.